Makoti, Are You the One? Season 3 has just come to an end. And ndimane ndiyibukela wethu, but not every week. And I would catch up sometimes. But this show has got me thinking, are there unrealistic expectations that are placed on Omakoti? I know that these four beautiful women had not yet married Abo gentlemen, but they had to go on induction even before they get married to prove that are they worthy of taking uh, the Makoti title? Are they worthy of taking their fiance or partner's last names? Abo bazothatha last name. And I thought to myself, why is it that it's just Obamakoti who have to prove themselves? What about omkhwenyana? Kutheni ngekho omkhwenyane, are you the one? Okanye walo makoti siya kwi-21 days. Nomkhwenyana naye aye kweyakhe i-21 days kaloku sana. Ibe macala amabini, into ibhalanse. Yaqonda i-scales ibhalanse. Between, masikhe sibe honest nje, just for a second. There are double standards between umakoti and omkhwenyana. Umakoti, there are many expectations placed on her. And umkhwenyana, as long as umkhwenyana pays ilobola, shows up family functions, he's treated like a king. On the other hand, umakoti, it's a lifelong journey where you have to prove yourself in many families. Not all, but many families. You have to prove yourself. You have to wake up early. You have to serve everybody. You have to be respectful, even when you're disrespected. If we are fairly shagesana to meet spoken and unspoken expectations, if you fail, kuzothiwa ukhulisanga kakuhle. You are not raised well. NjengoTamara. uTamara many times umamazala wakhe would kind of insinuate that, and I think she did say that akukhulisanga kakuhle kaloku naTamara. Even ezi sister-in-laws kaTamara zincinci nazo bezimane zithetha unothanda kuTamara. uTamara had to go through many hoops, through the fires mntakabawo, to prove that I am the one, I am the one. Abanye oomakoti, they kind of found nomamazala, they found their way to each other, and it was beautiful to watch. They struggled in the beginning, but they were able to compromise and do the necessary hard work of building a relationship, to get to know each other, to understand each other better. Why is it that though kwezinye ifamily, the in-laws will just sit and fold their arms and umakoti must just meet them? There's nobody wanting to meet umakoti halfway. Umakoti must do all the work of building a relationship ne-in-laws yedwa. Like uTamara, many people on social media were in their feels kwa TikTok. Oh, Sister Baga City, shame. I kind of felt a little bit sorry for them because the show is scripted. But yay, uTamara Gesana had the show on amahlombe. She carried the show. Many people were in their feels. Ndithi hayi mabina kaloku ifilimu lena mabina ngo-lights camera action kuya-ektwa sanuba kwii-feels zenu kangaka. Yeyi, oosista bakasithi hayi bebegivwa kodwa nikrwada tshintshiza ezi nto zingahloniphiyo nimqhele kakubi uTamara. Abantu sana for uTamara. Tamara ubuthandwa sithi immense ezibhayeli for you, okay? Bendihleka though, but this is the reality of omakoti abathile apha eMzantsi, where omakoti have to go through the fire in order to prove that they are the one. And ayipheli sana. It's a lifelong struggle. It's a lifelong burden. It's a lifelong unrealistic expectation placed on you as umakoti. abanye abantu hayi sana they are not doing anything to build a relationship with you, but when you must do everything in your strength, in your power, to build a relationship nabantu who are unwilling. UTamara ude wadikwa in the end, waphela epakisha izinto zakhe esithini ehamba because ubona into yobana no, I'm the only one working towards i-peace, i-harmony, intoni. Ii-in-laws zam sana at every chance they get, they are willing ukundixova ingathi ndiyintlama. They are willing ukundifrayisha ingathi ndiligwinya kwi-oil eshushu. Uyayiva laa nto ndiyithethayo? And uTamara was trying her best. But no, not umama kaSithi. I don't know noba na hleze ii-in-laws nazo they need to prepare themselves to say, okay, siza kwamkela umntana wabantu kule family yethu. Ngumntana womntu lona. And we have to meet her halfway. Nathi funeke sithobe iimere zethu, put i-pride aside, put unrealistic expectations aside, and be willing to welcome her into ifemeli yethu as our own. Uyayiva laa nto? Because sometimes oomakoti for life mntakabawo they are treated as outsiders. Uhlobo opheka ngalo hayi kuyakrithisayizwa i-red pen. Uhlobo onxiba ngalo, uhlobo othetha ngalo, uhlobo owenza ngalo ezi tasks zingapheliyo. Hayi mabenani. I do think though we have to get to a place where we really speak about these difficult things in an honest way and look if zikhona izinto neendlela that we need to unlearn as a society, especially abantu abamnyama. Zikhona izinto that we need to unlearn now in order to build better relationships between omakoti and in-laws. And also, yeah, like, not that sizolahla izinto zonke emva, but also grow man izinto ezingakhiyo, you know, that were placed, heavy burdens that were placed on omakoti. We don't have to continue with those. In all honesty, we just don't. Because omakoti nakwezi inductions wafika benee-nerves athi umntu yho mna andizukwazi andikwazi bendingayipheki ipapa ekhaya. Anditsho uba umntu angafundi how to acquaint herself with ifemeli yakulomyeni, but don't place heavy burdens. Umakoti mustn't have to jump through the hoops, you know, just to prove that she's the one. And also just get to know what are her strengths, what are her weaknesses, what is she good at. Ningafuni uyenzisa umntu into that she's not great at. Because of course kaloku akazuzimitha ezi expectations zenu zi-high. So I do think it's about time. Ezinye izinto we need to just, hayi uba siyalahla, but ezinye izinto ezingekho useful mabenani in building better relationships between omakoti nee-in-laws, hayi masizititsheni mabethuni. Hayi masizititsheni ezinye izinto. And omakoti singabathwalisi amalahle just because batshate noobhuti bethu. Hayi, ezaa zinto azikho fashionable, azikho cute, azikho dima at all. We are welcoming her. We want to know who she is. We want to know how to love her well. And naye, those are the things that she needs to learn. But we mustn't make it difficult. We mustn't make i-journey yokoti is a difficult one, a thorny one, one where umntu emotionally just feels drained just by visiting in-laws. Son. No. Ezo ndlela zinjalo funeke sizishiye emva. And if mhlambi nawe uyi-in-law efuna uba yi-outlaw, hayi yeka ezo zinto, shiya emva iindlela ezingekho right, please. Come right, in-law. Come right, makoti. Sibhilde maan ibe yinto e-nice, ibe cute. It's not an easy journey ukwamkela kaloku umntu. But nezinto zikabhuti wam, ubhuti wam this, ubhuti wam, hayi. Please share what is your take on this. Are there some expectations that are placed on umakoti that are unrealistic, that are burdensome? Because, for instance, nento yoyalwa mani kutheni kuyalwa just abafazi mabetnani, kutheni kuyalwa abantu abatshatileyo kodwa abantu abangamadoda bayalwa? Nezo zinto mani for mna zinto ezindicinga the double standards, hayi, i-scale must balance kaloku mabethu na. Please share your thoughts in the comment section.